refilling a toothpaste tube for beginners. So what I've got here is an empty toothpaste tube, and I've got another one here that has some toothpaste in it. You'll notice when I take the caps off that the valve, right, the part that the toothpaste comes out of, is the same size on both tubes. I think they just do that to save money, right? They use the same part for both tubes. And that means they fit together perfectly. And you'll notice that one really is empty. Now, as I'm squeezing the tube that has toothpaste in it, where's that toothpaste going? Well, obviously it's going into the empty one. Right? There, I can prove it. There's a little bit there. But you'll also notice that as I squeeze the sides gently, the toothpaste gets sucked into the back. Right? Let me start with it full again. Now, this time, watch the sides of the tube as they expand with toothpaste getting pushed into it. Right? You'll also notice when I move my finger, there's a little indentation there where I was squeezing gently. All right, so now all you have to do is clean the valve. Easy enough. Put the cap back on, and voila, you have a full tube of toothpaste.